Hello! Here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, the State Secretary of the Union State visited the EcoTechnoPark. The framework agreement for the project in Taiwan has been signed. Big interview with Anatoly Unitsky. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. EcoTechnoPark hosted a meeting between Russian statesmen, Doctor of Economics, Professor, Academician of the Russian Academy of Sciences, and since April of this year, State Secretary of the Union State Sergei Glazyev and Anatoly Unitsky, at a working meeting at the Center for the Practical Implementation and Demonstration of UST Technologies, projects for the use of string technologies within the framework of developing the innovative potential and strengthening the technological sovereignty of the Union State were discussed. The agreement on the UST Transport and Infrastructure Complex project for Taiwan was signed by Oleg Zaretsky, the CEO of Uscovery, and Mu Chi-hong, the head of Sky Taxi Limited. We are talking about the project of a rail string complex that will connect the popular recreation areas of Tainan City, Xinhua Park, Hutupi Lake, and a number of tourist infrastructure facilities between them. Anatoly Unitsky gave an interview in which he spoke about the construction of a passenger line in Nepal and the implementation of other commercial projects, explained why UST Transport is one of the most reliable and safe, and shared current tasks and requests. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you next time.